All right, our fluency. So we're going to select the math statements that have the same quotient. So this means there could be more than one. The math statements that have the same quotient. Quotient means dividing. So let's start with the first one. So remember, we're going to have the keep, change, flip. Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. The KCF. KCF. Keep, change, flip. So instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken, it's Kentucky Chicken Fried. So we're going to keep, change, flip. First one, 12 thirds. So we have 12 divided by 3 divided by 2 thirds. All right, let's keep the first one. We're going to keep it. So we have 12 thirds. We're going to change the second one to multiplication. And we're going to flip the third part, the fraction, to 3 halves. So we just flip it. Now we can multiply straight across. 12 times 3, you should get 36. And then 3 times 2 is 6. 36 divided by 6. Ooh, let's see. So 36 divided by 6 does equal 6. So this equals 6. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, so we're going to see which ones are the same. I'm so sorry. All right, 16 divided by 4/5. All right, so we have 16. And we can make that into a fraction by putting it over 1. Divided by 4/5. We're going to keep, change, flip. KCF, or Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. Kentucky Chicken Fried. We're going to keep 16 over 1. We're going to change the sign. And we're going to flip the fraction. 16 times 5. And then 1 times 4 is 4. 16 times 5, let's see. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is going to be 8. So then we'd have 80 divided by 4. And you should get 80 divided by 4, you should get 20. So that equals 20. Whoa, sorry, it's windy outside. The outside furniture probably is blowing away. I am sitting by the window, so you can hear the wind on the window. Let's take a look at the next one. 12 divided by, so we can do 12 over 1, divided by 3 halves. We're going to keep, change, flip. KCF, keep, change, flip. So we have 12 over 1 times 2 thirds. 12 times 2 is going to be, 12 times 2 is 24, divided by 1 times 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3, remember this always means divide. 24 divided by 3, you should get 8. So this equals 8. Let's see what that last one's going to be. All right, let's see. All right, so we have 24, and we can make that into a fraction by putting it over 1. Divided by 4 thirds. We're going to keep, change, flip. So we keep the first one, and we'll get 24 over 1. We're going to multiply, and then we're going to flip it for 3/4. The denominator, 1 times 4 is 4. Our numerator, 24 times 3, let's check it out. 3 times 4 should be 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 72. If we do 72 divided by 4, 4 goes into 7 one time, you get 4. Then you get 3 and 2, and 4 goes into 32. 8 times, right? 18. So that should equal 18, because 18 times 4 should give us 72. Yeah, so this bottom one is going to equal 18. But now it says, which ones have the same quotient? Same quotient. So they all have different quotients, it seems to be. So let's do 12 divided by, or 12 thirds divided by 2/3. Let's double check that. So in this case, this fluency, they're all going to be, none of them have the same quotient. Let's double check. I want to double check this first one because I know that last one is correct. I want to double check this first one. 12/3 divided by 2/3. So 12/3 times 3/2. 3 times 2 is 6. 12 times 3 is 36. Yeah. 36 divided by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Yeah, so that's right. So that equals 6. Yeah. 16 divided by 4/5. That should give us 20. So let's double check that. Alright, so 16, remember 16 over 1 divided by 4/5. We'll keep, change, and flip. We get 4, 16 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So we do get 80 divided by 4. 20, 40, 60, 80. Yep, you get 20. Yeah, we're correct. Alright, so in this case, we're just going to put none. I'm going to make a box here and we're going to put none are the same. Alrighty, so the box that you are going to check is going to be the one that's going to say none are the same. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job.